She's going to make roses out of bacon. Okay.
Right. Hold on.
And there you go.
There you
she
go.
is going to make roses out of bacon.
This one keeps rolling out. This one, I think she wants me to eat it.
Unbelievable. Come on. It's unbelievable that she is beautiful, brilliant, and giving, and that she knows as a wife how to make a rose out of a piece of bacon.
I'm hiding myself. I'm hiding myself behind the counter now, right?
All right, tell me how you do this miracle. And do you do this for Matthew? Does Matthew eat bacon? Does he like bacon?
He does eat bacon, but if you don't eat bacon, you can also do with turkey bacon. Okay,
oh, wow.
Some of these are turkey bacon, so I make a little combination. And this is a great treat for the guys in your life that love it. The kids go crazy over this. I like to set up in a little jar like this. I put rice so the roses stand up. Okay, so let me show you how this is.
Amazing.
It's the easiest thing, okay? It's the silliest thing, but people love it. Kids love it. Adults love it. You're just going to get your bacon and you're going to roll it up. The trick on this is that you're going to roll the bacon. Every layer you go a little bit lower than the previous. Does that make sense?
I see. Right. Because you want it to mimic a rose when it shrinks, right?
Exactly.
So you make the center a little higher. Was that the goal?
Yes. And then you can always press it down if you need to.
Okay.
Okay. And then at the end, if you want a little extra effect, you just flip it a little bit.
Oh, I love that. Like the petal. Right, like the petal opening. Oh, it's beautiful.
And then you're going to get a toothpick right here.
And just anchor it. Right, so it keeps its shape. And that's so clever. You put it in is that a muffin tin?
Yes. So to keep it simple for you, you put in a muffin tin. Can you say that for me? Because my English right now is just
it collects the grease.
There we go.
It collects the bacon fat so it's easier to dispose of and it keeps them perfect.
Exactly. Okay, so you're going to have some spinach leaves and you're going to just cross them a little bit like that. And you're going to get your giant toothpick.
Yes.
And you're just going to stick the little bacon rose.
It's so adorable. Camila, seriously.
Right there. Look.
It's so beautiful.
It, you guys. Isn't that sweet? And I usually...
Yes, at breakfast?
Yes, at breakfast. But I make this little heart-shaped eggs. And I put it on the plate and I have this next to it. And the kids just go crazy. And it's like, okay, Valentine's for the kids are done. Now I get to do something for myself. While the kids enjoy this, they're happy after they leave me alone. There we go.
Oh my God, how do you make do you use a little cookie cutter to like keep the eggs together, or is that just cut out toast? It's toast, right?
It's toast, yeah. So I use a cookie cutter, 2 different sizes. And I make the heart shape, one big one and then one smaller on the inside. And then I cook the egg inside the bread. And if you don't want to use the giant to fix, you can put it on the plate like that with the little leaves, and it's just as cute and beautiful.